So here we are today at the James D. Martin Wildlife Park. This is a return trip. And for those interested, they do have a dog park here. So that's cool. And we're located right behind the Gadsden Mall. There's the movie theater. There are a lot of cattails out there.
Nice wetlands.
Boy, we had some kind of storm through here. Look at all those trees down.
It just blew one, about walking. I love walking on paths like this, but I have to look down. Yeah. That's why I like to stop a lot and look down. Okay. Like this. Yeah. They look kind of like dragons. Mm-hmm. It is. Oh, okay. his mom is my dad's sister. She's the only one that how old is she? She is, I think, 89. She was much younger than my dad and she lives in Wisconsin. Her ex-husband is dead.
Big old 70, but I'm not naming her.
That way I can take one out of it.
You have to go up higher.
Well, I've got us all really good.
Okay.
You got dog in it?
Yeah, let me
Oh, there you are.
let me go this way a little bit. Okay, Laura, can we get you to go to your right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.